So cost is not value. What do we mean by this? So as you start to look at different ways to do asset management, especially by bringing in original equipment manufacturers, it may be costly. It may be difficult at times. It may be a negotiation at times. It may not be the best decision to have a materials management make a decision of an aftermarket material when the original equipment manufacturer says we have to use this particular part. If we don't, then I can't deliver the service level agreement that we agreed upon. So making these decisions in a silo of materials or tools or people or bringing in original equipment manufacturer to be able to do things may not be the best idea just from a cost perspective.